What is good, ladies and gentlemen? This is Nate Ryder. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and slam that subscribe button right now and follow me and my build, Sally. She's a 2008 Mustang GT. I'd appreciate the love and support so much. We are doing a lot to her, and in this video we are going to go ahead and do even more. To let you guys know exactly what happened on the last one, we took out the rear seats and replaced it with the rear seat delete kit, as you see right here, sponsored by Late Model Restoration. Lost 30 pounds, even more, about 50 or 60 with everything in my trunk. We are racing this Friday at Race Legal. Probably going to post it on next Wednesday. But if you are in San Diego, meet me there at the Race Legal. I don't know when I'm gonna be there, but I'll probably be there until it closes at 11 o'clock. Can't wait to see you guys. So I have a lot of people kind of confused how it works here in California, which don't know why you guys are confused, because if you watch Tanner Fox, TJ Hunt, Evan Shanks when he was in San Diego, or any other San Diego YouTuber, and when they go ahead and take their cars out to race, it is always the 8th mile, not the quarter mile. I think the nearest quarter mile is like 3 hours away, somewhere up in LA or East LA. I'm not entirely sure. I'm not going to drive all the way over there, especially since I get 10 miles per gallon. So when I say 7-second car or 8-second car, it is in the 8th mile, which is still pretty good, but I hope that clarifies the times that I'm setting on my videos. It's not a clickbait for a quarter mile, but rather a lot shorter than that. All right, so I need to go ahead and move my car into the garage to do what I'm going to do today, which is pretty big. I told you guys we have a lot of changes coming the way. So I haven't done a cold start in a while. I do not want my camera to fall when the vibrations hit. This should be good. Again, it's not going to be a cold start. I've driven her, but I haven't drove her in like an hour, so you're still gonna see how loud she is. Hopefully by this Friday I should have that exhaust tip fixed. No promises. No promises. I also get a lot of questions on my rear louvers and my quarter window louvers. So the visibility with the rear window louvers. All right, I had to turn the car off because it was getting just way too obnoxious on film. Anyways, the view from the back, the rear window louvers, is actually perfect. I honestly sometimes don't even realize that it's there. You can see the car behind you. You can see all around you as though it was not there. Ask anybody that has these rear window louvers and they would say the same thing. It's literally perfect. You barely miss any visibility. And if you look at like the bottom right here, that is my ducktail wing. Even with the ducktail wing, I could still see perfect. You could see the car behind you. That's really all you need to see. Yeah, you can't see like things smaller than that wing, of course. You just have to be pretty cautious. Whenever I reverse or do anything, I always take it slow. I'm not a reckless driver at all. And so that's that. And then the quarter window louvers, absolutely no visibility. And to fix that, because I knew I was going to be screwed, I got these little blind spot mirrors that you see, just because whenever I'm shifting lanes or doing whatever, I could see exactly like who's right here. Like in this case the car, and you could see all the way in the back. You could see like up front here, you could see kind of that door, and then in this you can't. So this one you have a more wide angle view, and same thing with over there, I have the same thing. So yeah, that's basically the review, and I got lots of questions in there. Today we're gonna make the rear a little bit more easier to see. Look at this guy, straight chilling like a villain. I just rolled in the beast, honestly. This thing is super loud. He literally just slept through a cold start and a rumble. He just woke up right now because I'm like, he thinks I have food, but honestly, dude, come on. How do you not wake up to this? But wait, I just don't get it. One of my favorite things about the Mustang is how easy it is to mod it, and one of the best things to mod it is of course the rear spoiler. Anybody that gets a Mustang, whether it be an S550, S197 or whatever, The spoiler is one of the first things to go. And yeah, I got the MMD ducktail spoiler. There are a lot of different ones that you could get, like the Roush or the GT500, or just additional ones that you saw Jonathan Harder do. I don't even know what that's called, but you could do a lot of things with it. I've had this on for 3 years. Yes, it looks great, but I'm ready for something new. And big changes are coming, and this is the start of one of the big changes. So like I said, it is super easy to go ahead and take this big ducktail spoiler out. So the factory does have 2, but MMD was just like, screw these 2, let's just give them 1 bolt. And it looks like it's all rusty. This one's got to go. I'm probably going to reuse it because I have no other washer, whatever. Same thing on this side. So we're gonna go ahead and start the uninstallation of the ducktail spoiler. I'll tell you exactly how I stuck it on so well, because you'll see how much 3M tape I did. And then we're gonna go and see exactly how Sally looks with the spoiler delete. I'll place you right here. Do a nice time lapse with some nice music provided by DJ Quads. If you guys are curious where I get my music, and we'll go from there. Excited to see how this is gonna look like.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
Alright, so I just unscrewed it, and now the only thing that's really holding down this ducktail spoiler is 3M extreme tape all the way across. Like, you guys should have seen how well I taped it. It is kind of old, so I'm hoping it's just going to pop off. I don't want to break anything. I'm just going to try making my way. Oh my goodness, I'm definitely gonna need like a hot air gun or something. This is going to be, I really don't want to bend this. I don't want to bend the spoiler or my trunk. I'm gonna put you down here and take my time and just wiggle it until it comes out.
Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm madly in love with you.
I didn't even need those bolts to keep that spoiler on. I just need this 3M extreme tape. This is ridiculous.
I'm madly in love with you.
Alright, so I have tried pushing and pulling for like the past 15 minutes. It didn't work. I got myself some string. I'm gonna see if I could go ahead and like string it, because I know a hot air gun will not actually work here because the glue is actually in the middle. I'm gonna try to weed it out with the string.
And for me, I'm madly in love with you.
That didn't go as planned. 3M extreme tape is the tape you want if you want to go ahead and tape anything, any accessories on your car. Get the 3M extreme tape, it will stick on your car. All right guys, so I found a new remedy that's kind of working right now. I'm taking a microfiber cloth and wedging it underneath. Once when it's stuck, I'm pulling on one side to like yank it off. Just watch me on how I do it. It's working. You gotta pull at an angle. We finally did it after so much. Look at that sweat. After so much pulling with the microfiber towel, wedging it, maneuvering it, we got it off. Let me go ahead and set everything down. I'll show you what's up. All right guys, and here it is. This was the 3M, the double-sided 3M extreme tape that I used. Now we just ran into our new problem, and that's getting all of this goo off. I'm probably gonna go get that Goo Gone solution to get all this off, because I don't know, either that or my my heat gun. But we did run into a problem that I need you guys' help. So we did have some scratches from the MMD spoiler right here. It's weird how it only happened in this side and nowhere else. I think this double-sided tape should have been closer to here so that it doesn't rub. So comment down below what I should do. Should I just wrap the trunk? Should I like get that paint pen? Should I just fix it with like a buff? I don't know what to do, but the rest looks flawless across the full line here. Just needs a nice wash. Now let's go ahead and get this disgusting stuff on, but so far, the spoiler delete looks pretty dope. All right guys, I just came back from AutoZone and I got the Goo Gone, but the sun is going down. I'm probably gonna pick it up tomorrow, but I just wanna go ahead and show you guys how nice this looks. Like, the spoiler delete looks so dope. It makes my wheels makes my tires look a lot bigger. Like, I don't know if you guys can really tell. I wish you guys could see in person, but I'm gonna go ahead and try my best just with the glue gun. I'm probably gonna get a heat gun and get the rest of this off, polish it, and get something to do with this, and then we'll take it on the next day. So I finished the glue, kind of. I need to definitely wash it, and that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do right now. Alright, and here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the spoiler delete on the Sally. I know, it looks a little bit different, and if you really look close, I didn't know how bad the glue would actually smear. I'm gonna go ahead and fix that, but for the time being, I just want you guys to go ahead and look at the new Sally. The smaller end makes the wheels look so much bigger. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it looks pretty nice. I just want to go ahead and give you guys the angle. I've always wanted to do a spoiler delete. I've always had the GT, and then I got the MMD ducktail spoiler, so it looks pretty nice. And I have the racks, and the rack seam just looks so beautiful. And there you have it, boys. We are spoiler delete. I think I'm gonna make this the thumbnail. It looks pretty nice, if I'm not mistaken. Drop a like if you like it. If you hate it, comment why you hate it. Also, guys, I need help exactly what to cover this. Am I going to wrap it? Am I going to just fix it with like a pen? Let me know. Tire stickers are coming. Don't you worry, boys. They are coming. It is just one of the most beautiful sights I've ever seen. I want to see how it's going to be like with you guys. Tell me what you think about the spoiler delete. And I'm not entirely sure exactly what I'm gonna do with my old one. We'll go ahead and see. Oh shoot, I wasn't supposed to show you guys this.